Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys power key and volume up at the same time like this. After phone vibrates, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, and you will end up in this kind of menu. In this menu, use volume up key to navigate and volume down to select, and you have to select the first option, recovery mode. When you're in this mode, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe cache partition. Then confirm it by selecting yes, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, you can select the first option reboot system now to restart your device, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.